Imagine stepping into your backyard after a long day and sinking into the warm, bubbling waters of a hot tub. Sounds perfect, right? Whether you're looking to create a romantic oasis, a party spot, or just a place to unwind, a hot tub can transform your outdoor space into a personal retreat. In today's video, we're sharing 10 incredible backyard hot tub ideas to inspire your next project. So, grab a drink, sit back, and let's dive in. Number 1, the cozy corner. This idea is perfect for those with limited space or anyone who wants to create a private, intimate spot for relaxation. The key to achieving this look is to find a quiet corner of your backyard and turn it into a mini retreat. Surround your hot tub with tall plants, like bamboo or ferns, to create a natural screen that offers both privacy and a touch of nature. You can even add a pergola or a shade sail above the tub to enhance the feeling of seclusion and make it usable year-round. Lighting is crucial in setting the mood for your cozy corner. String lights, lanterns, or even solar-powered garden lights can add a warm, inviting glow. And don't forget to add some comfortable seating nearby, like a couple of lounge chairs or a small bistro set, so you can relax before or after your soak. Number 2, the modern minimalist. If you prefer a clean, contemporary look, the modern minimalist hot tub might be just what you're looking for. This design focuses on simplicity and functionality, with sleek lines, neutral colors, and minimal clutter. Consider opting for a square or rectangular hot tub that can be seamlessly integrated into a modern deck or patio. The key here is to use materials like concrete, stone, or wood that complement the overall aesthetic of your home. To enhance the minimalist vibe, choose furniture and accessories that are equally sleek and understated. Think along the lines of low-profile lounge chairs, a simple outdoor rug, and maybe a few potted succulents. The beauty of this design is that it's both stylish and practical, offering a chic retreat with a touch of luxury. Number 3, the Rustic Retreat. For those who love the charm of rustic design, this next idea is all about embracing natural materials and earthy tones. The Rustic Retreat hot tub is perfect for blending your outdoor space with the natural landscape. Start by choosing a wooden hot tub or one with a wood-look exterior, and place it on a stone or timber deck. Surround the area with natural elements like rocks, logs, and native plants to create a seamless flow between your yard and the surrounding nature. To make your rustic retreat even cozier, consider adding a fire pit nearby. The warmth and glow of the fire will complement the hot tub perfectly, creating a cozy atmosphere for cool evenings. And of course, no rustic retreat is complete without some cozy seating. Think Adirondack chairs, wool blankets, and maybe even a few outdoor lanterns to complete the look. Number 4, the Party Central. If you love entertaining, then the Party Central hot tub setup is a must. This idea is all about creating a lively, social space where friends and family can gather for fun and relaxation. Start with a larger hot tub that can accommodate multiple people, and place it in a central location in your backyard. Surround it with plenty of seating, like benches or outdoor sofas, so guests can relax and socialize whether they're in the tub or out. To take your Party Central to the next level, consider adding an outdoor bar or kitchen. This way, you can mix drinks, serve snacks, and keep the party going without ever having to step inside. And of course, no party spot is complete without a great sound system. Install some outdoor speakers or even a waterproof Bluetooth speaker so you can play your favorite tunes while you soak. Trust us, your backyard will become the go-to spot for all your friends. Number 5, the Zen Oasis. Next, let's take a journey to the east with a Zen Oasis hot tub. This idea is inspired by Japanese gardens and is all about creating a peaceful, meditative space where you can truly unwind. Start by choosing a simple, understated hot tub design, preferably in a natural material like wood or stone. Place it in a tranquil part of your yard, and surround it with elements like bamboo, stones, and perhaps even a small water feature like a koi pond. To enhance the Zen vibe, create a small pathway leading to the hot tub, using stepping stones or gravel. You can also add a Zen garden nearby, complete with raked sand or gravel, to help you center your thoughts before taking a dip. And don't forget about seating. Simple wooden benches or even a tatami mat can be perfect for this serene space. Number 6, the Family Fun Zone. Families with kids will love the Family Fun Zone hot tub idea. This setup is all about creating a space where everyone, from the youngest to the oldest, can enjoy some quality time together. Start by choosing a durable, kid-friendly hot tub with safety features like non-slip steps and a sturdy cover. Place it in an area of your yard that's easily accessible and visible from other parts of your home, so you can keep an eye on the little ones. To make your backyard even more family-friendly, consider adding a play area nearby, with things like a swing set, sandbox, or even a small pool. This way, kids can have fun while the adults relax in the tub. And of course, don't forget to add some comfortable seating and maybe even a shaded area, so everyone can take a break and enjoy a snack or a drink. Number 7. The Tropical Paradise. Dreaming of an island getaway? Why not bring the tropics to your backyard with the Tropical Paradise Hot Tub idea? This design is all about creating a lush, vibrant space where you can escape the everyday and feel like you're on vacation. Start by choosing a hot tub with a natural or tropical look, think wood, stone, or even a thatched roof cover. Place it in a part of your yard that gets plenty of sun, and surround it with tropical plants like palm trees, hibiscus, and bird of paradise. To enhance the tropical vibe, add some tiki torches or lanterns around the tub to create a warm, inviting glow as the sun sets. You can also incorporate other island-inspired elements, like bamboo furniture, a hammock, or even a small waterfall feature. And don't forget the drinks. Set up a small bar or cart with all the ingredients for your favorite tropical cocktails, so you can sip in style while you soak. Number 8. The Elegant Escape. If you're looking to create a space that's both luxurious and refined, the Elegant Escape hot tub idea is perfect for you. This design is all about sophistication, with an emphasis on elegant details and high-end materials. Start by choosing a hot tub with a sleek, modern design, and place it in a well-landscaped area of your yard. Consider adding a pergola or gazebo above the tub to create a sense of enclosure and privacy. To enhance the elegance, incorporate elements like classical statues, manicured hedges, and maybe even a small fountain or water feature. You can also add some plush outdoor furniture, like chaise lounges or a daybed, to complete the look. And for the finishing touch, why not add a few candles or lanterns around the tub? The soft lighting will create a romantic, intimate atmosphere that's perfect for a relaxing evening. Number 9. The Eco-Friendly Spa. For those who are environmentally conscious, the Eco-Friendly Spa hot tub idea offers a sustainable way to enjoy the benefits of a hot tub without harming the planet. This design focuses on using eco-friendly materials and practices, starting with the hot tub itself. Consider choosing a model that's energy efficient and powered by solar panels, or even a wood-fired hot tub if you prefer a more rustic approach. To make your eco-friendly spa even greener, surround it with native plants that require little water and maintenance. You can also incorporate sustainable materials like reclaimed wood or recycled stone for the deck or patio. And if you're really committed to sustainability, consider adding features like a rainwater collection system, a composting area, or even a small vegetable garden nearby. This way, you can enjoy your hot tub knowing you're doing your part for the environment. Number 10. The MultiLevel Marvel. Last but not least, we have the MultiLevel Marvel, a design that's perfect for those with a spacious backyard and a love for architectural details. This idea involves creating a multi-level outdoor space, with the hot tub as the centerpiece. Start by placing your hot tub on a raised deck or platform, which can be connected to different areas of your yard by stairs, pathways, or even a bridge. To enhance the multi-level look, consider adding different outdoor zones around the hot tub, each with its own purpose. For example, you could have a dining area on one level, a lounge area on another, and a garden or fire pit on a third. The key is to create a sense of flow and connection between each area, so you and your guests can move seamlessly from one space to the next. And don't forget to add some stylish railings, lighting, and landscaping to tie it all together. And there you have it, 10 incredible backyard hot tub ideas that can transform your outdoor space into a personal paradise. Whether you're looking for a cozy corner to relax in, a lively spot to entertain friends, or a serene retreat to escape to, there's a hot tub idea here for everyone. So, which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more backyard inspiration. Thanks for watching, and happy soaking.